Welcome back. This is lesson number 17. We're now going to be using Yud, and Yud with a little Shawah is going to be kind of thrown in there. So here, without further ado, let's begin. Ya, Yo, Y, Yi, Ye, Yo, You, You. Number 2, Yom, Yesh, Yom, Yeled. Number 3, Bo-i, Boi, Yalda, Yalda, Bayom, Bayom, Ha-shabat, Ha-shabat. Number 4, Lama, Lama, Ha-yom, Hayom, Yesh, Li, Delet, Delet. Number 5, Mayim, Mayim, Bait, Bait. Now this one is interesting, and we have to focus on this one because here when we go ba, and here we go, you think ba again, and we're not going to say ba here because the reason is the yud. So the yud is going to make this ah sound an I. So it's going to be ba, bai, and then we're going to pronounce the yud yit. Ba, bait. Alright, so ba, bait. Yesh, li, yom, ba, ha, yeled, hayeled, gam, ba. That's it. Number 17's done. We'll go back and now we'll be learning number 18.